Hey, what's up guys? So here I have is screen protector for S21 Plus. So you can see that it comes with a, one of those horrible plastics. This is brand new S21 and it gave up. So take that off, brand new screen, beautiful, beautiful. And this is my third phone that I'm gonna do with this screen protector. It's much easier and it goes on very nice. So they just come in the box like this. You can go to their site and they'll show you how exactly to put it on. I got a few videos on different ones from a Note 20, a Note 20 Ultra, and now is the S21. Let's get it open, show you everything that I have, and then I'll install it. Okay, so inside the box, you get a little extra gift. You go to here, you claim your gift. Before we go to the little package, I'll show you all the other stuff. So now it shows you exactly how to do the screen. So first you have a tab, you take the tab off. That tab will place it on the screen and it will stay stuck there, but it's not completely off yet. I'll show you exactly what I mean by that. And it'll tell you exactly how to do everything. You line it up perfect and then you lock it in. Okay, so you get these little special things. These are to hold the screen protector in place. These go right into your USB-C, just like that. You got a Dear Customer card. I gotta change the screen just a little bit. You got a Dear Customer card, you can see here. Okay. So this one specifically comes with 3. So if I mess up, you keep on going. And you get this little grip so you can put your phone right on top. So it prevent it from moving so much. So back to the instructions. So show you everything that I have, show you how to do it. Basically I did that part already. So now we're gonna go into this part. So in this little package, you have the dust absorbers. So make sure you use this because you can't have dust on the screen. In the little package, you get this little like squeegee thing. This is what you're gonna use to take the bubbles out. So you get 3 alcohol pads because you get 3 screens. You get this micro rag so you can pretty much dry it up. And you get these absorbers. So that's pretty cool. Okay, now installing it. First thing you gotta do, you gotta make sure your screen is flawless, clean. So I usually grab the alcohol pad and you can see it leave like little puddles. I grab the alcohol pad and I go through the whole screen itself. Okay, turn on the little light. Go through the whole screen. Make sure you get all the fingerprints and stuff like that it has. Okay, then I usually grab this micro rag and I dry it up. You know, some of these do come with dry and wet wipes, but this one specifically does not come with it. Okay, I got a little piece of tape over here I gotta move. Okay, you gotta make sure the screen is flawless. Get that off for a second. Okay, you gotta look at it, make sure you don't see nothing. Okay, the screen is pretty good, but I see like little dust particles. So for that, like I said, make sure you use these, and that you will go through the whole screen. You know, back in the days, I never used these. I usually just ignored them. But I realized when I'm doing screen protectors, it is the best thing you can use. And for sure, do it in a place that is not a lot of dust. So I'm gonna put this to the side just in case if I need it again. So now I put this back in, because this is what's gonna hold my screen, and I will show you exactly what I mean. Okay, go through it again just in case. I see a little dust in the corners stuff. Okay, now you grab your screen, and they'll say take the tab 1. So the tab 1 is basically like, is a little sticky, so it can just hold it in place. Okay, so then you take that off and you line up the 3 holes that you see right here. And the paper goes right in. Okay, once it goes in, then you will personally line up everything. Okay, so let's get it out. Look one more time. I see a little here. Take it off. Okay, so like I was telling you, take tab 1 off. Okay, so now you line it up. Okay, so like I said, you will personally line up your camera. Once you have it lined up, you push down still off. You see it right here. You pick it up, put it again. Make sure your camera is lined up. So see, this will basically hold it in place. So now it will tell you right here, start film this way. So you grab your thing like this, bring it up. The tab in the bottom will come off, and you'll bring it up. Okay, you go like this. You make sure you get pretty much everything. I would like to turn the phone. So now you'll do this side, like I said, you'll grab it, grab it up, bring it up. Make sure you see the tab in the bottom coming out. Bring it down nice and slow. Okay, take the bubbles off. Try the best, take all of them. I usually make sure. You can see 2 right here. You know, sometimes they take a little while to come off. Okay, and your final step will to take this one off. There you go. Your screen protector is on, and they're so good. I absolutely love this company. Very good. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Can't go wrong. Awesome. Thanks for watching.